welcome to the 4th episode of Model Car Memories. Want to start by thanking a friend of mine, Chandler. He gave me the idea, his suggestion to use a turntable, so I found a turntable. I'm going to use it for the rest of them. What I've got today is 1965 Impala SS from AMT. This is a 3-in-1 kit. Includes black vinyl roof material. When I did my research, I think this was the first version of it. They had other releases with different pictures on the box. But it's got a thing here, customized by Gene Winfield. So it gives you the stock version. Black vinyl roof materials included on that. It does still have a sticker here from Belk's stores. It doesn't have the price on it, just has a code there. And if you're interested, the model number on it is 6725-200. That's the AMT thing. So on the other side here, it shows you some of the custom things. So you get a custom fender panel, custom upper panel, custom grille, custom bumperettes, Winfield, Terra thrust mags, attack, custom rear bumper, rear pan, custom shift lever, custom instrument panel, bucket seats, all that. Then there's a little advertisement on the side here for AMT custom spray lacquers, which I think I have 2 of those in the shelf there. Haven't tried them, so don't know. So let's dig into this, see what's in this kit here. Okay. All right, got the papers here. So this is like 2 different pieces of paper. So no, it says 63. I thought this was a 65. Let me make sure I don't have 2 sets of instructions here. There it is. There's 2 sets of instructions in this kit. All right. So this doesn't belong. That belongs somewhere else. All right. So 65 Impala Fastback 3-in-1 customizing kit. So all right, so basic assemblies, engine. Okay, so optional Offenhauser valve covers. Let's see, optional Elco oil pan. So you've got about 2 different options on the engine there. The chassis. So there's 3 different, so you got stock wheel covers, you can do open wheels with trim ring, and then the Terra thrust wheels. Let's see. What else is on? So interior. So you got your stock options for your interior. And then custom instruments, stock buckets and custom buckets. Then on the body, there's your body assembly. Advanced custom here. So wow, this is really advanced right there. So you can cut the whole front clip off and put the new front fenders and the new upper panel on it there. So that's quite a bit of modification on this one. All right, final assemblies. So you got one section for your stock assembly, another section for your custom assembly, custom part, then advanced custom taillights, custom rear panel, and then a little blurb here about Gene Winfield. So let's fold this back up and let's see what's in the box. Okay, so there's your chrome T. Forward looks like, make sure it looks like one of the custom wheels is missing there. I'll look for it in the box. So there's your custom valve covers, bumper, your different seats. Well, that's weird. They chromed them as well. So there's another chrome T here. This chrome doesn't look all that shiny compared to newer chrome. This looks kind of dull here, but various other parts. Let's see if I can see what this says on the license tag here. If I can read it right. It's a little, okay, so you got a Gene Winfield logo on the front and back tag. So if you did it that, you got the Gene Winfield logo. So let's see, here we go. Here's the body of it here. Let's pull the chassis off of it here. The interior out. Let's see. So there's your clear. And then your inside. The window crank's molded in. You can see the little SS molded in on the side there as well. Okay, and then the chassis, let's see. Okay, so on the bottom of the floor pan, that's all molded there. All this is open. It's a little different. Then the mufflers are molded into it. They're not separate. And on the body here, little line there you'd have to clean up if you're just wanting to build the kit together. So it does have Super Sport molded in there. 409 molded in on the side there. And the front emblems molded into it as well. So all in all, it looks pretty good for the age of it there. So set this aside. Let's see what else is in here. So there's your optional front fenders there. Part of the roll pan. Okay, there's an optional hood there, so that would replace everything up front. Like I said, if you cut that, you'd have to cut all of this off to do the custom part there. Okay, here's a decal kit. These decals look really fragile. Let's see. You got one license tag. George Barris, Winfield's Customs logo. But like I said, these look like they're about to fall off the paper. So let me get another T here. All right, this looks part of the front bumper, your rear axle. Must be parts of the interior there for your seats. Then your dash, that's the stock dash. Stock steering wheel. And I believe my stepdad did have a 65 Impala in real life. He told me that it was Tahitian turquoise. So, okay, and you got some engine parts here, your firewall, V-belt, some shocks, your fan. There's one this here. One of your exhaust manifolds about to come off there. Okay, getting down here in the nitty-gritty. Oh, I did not know this. There's your hood for your custom. So you can have a custom clear hood on there. I guess you could paint it if you wanted to. Let's see if we can find the custom hood there. So there's a custom hood. That clear will go right on there. Interesting. The only other one I've seen like that is the clear hood that GM put out for the 60 Corvairs. I've seen a few of those in person, and it was a fiberglass, partly fiberglass deck hood on it. So same concept of that. All right, and there's your rear seat. There's some of your front bucket seats. They looked all be molded in one piece. They're not all separate. Aha, there's the other wheel. There's one of the grill. There's the custom dash. That's just all out there. Oh, these are in pieces here. There's a standard hood right there. It's your console. So that would fit down. Fit down in there. oil pan. And I'm just going to dump this out here. Here's your custom vinyl for a vinyl top. So it looks to be stick-on. I guess you would stick it on there and then cut the fit around it. There's your custom grill. There's your engine block. There's the custom oil pan there. Got some fins on it. Parts of your wheel. And this other thing, I don't know what that ring is there. I don't know if that's part of the custom for the, must be custom for the steering wheel. That's another interesting thing too. So that's where that Y thing is. I saw on another tree here somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. So you got this right here. So you got a custom steering column and the circle there. So you have your clear steering wheel. Never seen that. There's your custom grill. Again, I already went through that. Or your wheels. There's another console. So that must be a stock console right there to fit in. Fits right in there. Alright, then one of the custom bumpers. And your tail lights, stock tail lights. And then you got some bullet tail lights there. A couple other things, and 4 screws to attach the body chassis to the body. Let's see, there's 2 in the back. I don't see the 2 in the front. Must be when you put everything together in the front there. So there you have it. Looks like pretty much everything's here. Not a lot missing. There's one of the custom bumpers. Must have fallen off the T. Then your intake. We've got 1 axle. So 1 axle for the rear. Let's see. Don't know if see if I can find the front part. Make sure it's there. That's one thing I don't see. Start putting everything back. Maybe I'll find it. So I wasn't looking for it specifically. Or it could be the rear axle. That might be the only thing that's missing. There's only 1 axle in the kit, which is just a metal rod here. Oh, there it is. There's the other axle, hidden underneath everything else. So we got both axles, and then the drive shaft here. So looks like you can detail that pretty good if you wanted to. Your battery. All right, so it's all right. So thank you for watching episode 4 and staying with it. And like I said, thanks again to Chandler, who's in the Corvair clubs with me for this great idea here. It'll work really good when I get a full-size model, when doing a cleanup or doing a restoration on one of the models. That way I can show it a little easier. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel so you'll know when a new episode drops, and tell all your friends about it. Tell all your hobby friends and stuff. I've still got 40 more to go to. So thanks a lot.